Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to show you iOS 15 already been released. I'm gonna install on my SE and iPhone 6s. And so without further ado, let's get started. Now let's go to setting. This is my iPhone 6s, as you can see. Software update. And you will get like this. And if you're seeing iOS 14.8, your iPhone software is up to date. That means if you want to stay on the iOS 14 version, maybe in the future it will get iOS 14.8.1 or 0.9. If you want to upgrade to iOS 15, just press this small message and you will able to get iOS 15 update. Alright, same goes to my iPhone SE. Go to settings, general, software update, same. So both of my phone gonna update to iOS 15. Like I'm just saying just now, if you want to stay on iOS 14 version, don't press the small iOS 15. Upgrade to iOS 15. If you want to upgrade, just press it. So for me, I'm going to upgrade. If you press, it will show like this: 2.50 gig, 2.51 gig. Download and install. Terms and conditions. Just agree it. Terms and condition. I agree to the iOS, iCloud and Apple Media Service terms and condition. Same goes to this one. Update requested. Same goes to this one. Not bad. Can't believe that this iPhone 6s already been 6 years old and is still able to get the latest iOS version. But this iPhone SE already been 5 years. Alright, so already been downloaded on both of my iPhones, 6s and SE. As you can see, install now, install now. Alright, so I would like to say goodbye iOS 14.8, also iOS 14, goodbye, and welcome iOS 15 for these two very old iPhone. And it's time to install now. Verifying update. Because my 6s got only 16 gig, yeah, so my 6s already been turned off to prepare new update iOS 15. And let's wait for 6s. Alright, goodbye iOS 14, also 14.8. Loading screen, Apple logo, loading circle, yeah, already loading. So my SE is getting hot right now, and I am taking out this tripod and put my SE into my tripod in front of my fan to make it cool down. Alright, so the phone already been updated to iOS 15. This is the first boot up on iOS 15 or both of this phone. Alright, new logo. Hello, yeah, very nice. Software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 15.0. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. Already update to iOS 15. Hello. Software update complete. Standard. Welcome to iPhone. A new version. So before I end off this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new iOS 15. Both of these phone already been installed from 14.8 to 15. Fresh update in the comment down below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.